there are a lot of antelope. She is riding a bicycle. The cake is yummy. Do you like donuts? An elephant is a big animal. The fish is gold. I got a gift on my birthday. He can ride a horse. The island is so big. A jellyfish is free swimming fish. I have a key. Lions can roar. I love mangoes. I have a nose. The owl is on the branch. My pizza is burnt. Can I ask you a question? I am playing with the rabbit. The snail is so small. The dog has a tail. I can wear my uniform. My dad has a Volvo car. We grow watermelon on our farm. The doctor told him to do x-rays. The yarn is big. His zipper is stuck.